Hey guys, today I want to talk to you about a popular nutrition question. A lot of my friends and even family members are asking me about meal replacement powders. First, they want to know if I recommend them, and they also want to know what my thoughts are on them. You guys have heard a lot about protein powders here on my channel, but not so much meal replacement powders. So today we're going to go over what the differences are and how a meal replacement powder might be able to help you with your health and nutrition goals. Today's video is brought to you by iHerb, one of the world's global leaders for natural products with over 35,000 products and also free or discounted shipping to 160 countries. All right, so let's get right into it. Here I have one of my favorite meal replacement powders, and it is the Madre Labs Zenbu Shake. And what I like about it is that it is loaded with macronutrients, phytonutrients, trace nutrients, enzymes, probiotics, prebiotics, and has 23 vitamins and minerals. Now, what makes it amazing? It has 17 grams of protein from plant-based sources, 8 complex carbs, 70 plus superfoods and nutrients, and it actually only has 1 gram of fat. Now, when it comes to meal replacement powders, I am super picky about the ingredients. You want to make sure that there are no artificial sweeteners. I avoid GMOs. This one has no gluten, no dairy, no artificial flavors, animal-derived ingredients, added colors, or as I mentioned earlier, sugars. So I like this product not only because it tastes great, but because it has an impressive list of nutrition and good ingredients. So the first difference between a protein powder and a meal replacement powder is calories. A meal replacement powder is going to have more calories. It's going to have about between 200 and 500 calories per serving. A protein powder will only have about 80 to 200. The difference in where these calories come from is that the meal replacement powders have added minerals, vitamins, and even sometimes fiber, some other good stuff, and not just protein. After a workout, having a protein shake may be a great option for a post-workout snack, but in no time you'll be hungry again and you'll want to eat a meal. The goal with a meal replacement powder is that you'll be controlling how many calories you eat post-workout, and more than likely you're going to be consuming less calories by having them in a shake than you would if you were to eat a meal. So the goal is to replace some of those empty calories that you might consume with something more nutritious. So why do I personally like meal replacement powders? Easy, time. I don't have a ton of time to make meals at home. I work from home, Tommy's at daycare, I'm on the go. It's really easy for me to just make a shake at home. I'll use a serving of the powder, I'll add some fruit like a banana, maybe a healthy fat like peanut butter, some almond milk, blend it up, and I can eat my meal on the go. It's easy to drink a shake in one hand and push a stroller with the other. If you're someone that doesn't have a lot of time in the morning and you stop at a coffee shop and you get a bagel and a coffee, if you have a meal replacement shake instead, you're going to be consuming not only more nutritious calories, but likely less if that is a goal that you have. I also love meal replacement shakes because they're great for satisfying a craving. I currently have a lot of those. If I have a craving for something sweet or chocolatey, like with Tommy, I just wanted milkshakes all the time. And I really found that having meal replacement shakes kind of satisfied that craving for a lot less calories and with a lot more nutrition. So I really enjoy having meal replacement shakes on hand when those cravings really come on fast. So how often do I recommend having them? I have friends who have meal replacement shakes every single day, especially those that are trying to lose weight with different various weight loss programs. I personally have them at least once or twice a week, and that's mainly when I'm pressed for time. So you don't necessarily have to have one every day, but it's perfectly healthy and great and fine if that is what you choose. For me, it's just a convenience thing. I really like the Madre Labs Zenbu Shake, which is offered exclusively by iHerb, where it's easy to shop direct for quality brands at great prices. You can shop over 35,000 products with honest reviews. They also use recycled products for shipping for a greener online shopping experience. When I use iHerb, I can be confident that my products are going to be shipped fast and taste fresh. New customers can get a discount off their first order at iHerb by using my rewards code found down below. Thanks once again to iHeart for sponsoring this video. You guys can check out all the links below for all your needs, all your shopping needs. I'll see you soon.